Have you ever wondered how your mails and parcels be delivered to your doorstep in time? Why you can track the delivery process in real time? Why you can shop anytime online or offline, in a grocery store, in a supermarket, or on an e-commerce platform? How you earn and redeem your membership reward points, and how you enjoy the promotional discounts? Have you ever wondered how your mobile phones, smart devices, cars are made? How manufacturers automate their process to identify the parts and materials in production? How patients' vital signs and medical samples are accurately captured and recorded? And how doctors' advice and prescriptions are accurately executed? Caregivers make sure the correct treatment is administered to the right patient. Have you ever wondered how important data are collected and provided to the information system? Newland AIDC empowers enterprises with real-time and accurate data. Ensure efficient inventory for the retailer, avoid out-of-stock or excess stock, speed up the checkout, create a collaborative work environment, and improve customer satisfaction. Accurately monitor and track the production process from raw material to finished products to gain full visibility of components and entire manufacturing process. Relieve doctors and nurses from massive paperwork and data inputs. Digitize and mobilize the healthcare delivery, reducing human errors and ensuring patient safety. Based on our exclusive imaging and data capturing technology, Newland AIDC helps enterprises build a solid data foundation for point of sales, warehouse management systems, manufacturing execution systems, healthcare information systems, and all other information systems. Real-time and accurate data will ultimately increase operational efficiency and team collaboration, support smart decision-making, and improve customers' satisfaction. Because we know scanning made real simple. Because we are Newland AIDC.